Hello everyone, and welcome to Host Code Lab's WordPress tutorial. I am Nix, your WordPress coach. If you are eager to try out WordPress but don't want the hassle of traditional hosting or installing any software in your laptop or desktop, I have the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll learn how to set up a completely free WordPress testing site in a matter of minutes. Let's get started. We will use the website TasteWP.com. This is a quick WordPress testing site creation tool. And the best part is it is completely free. To set up a fresh WordPress website, first, head over to TasteWP.com. On their homepage, you'll see a big Set It Up button. Before clicking that, I highly recommend creating a free account and logging in. This ensures your test site stays live for 7 days, rather than just 2 days. Now, click I agree, and then set it up. If you want more control over the setup, you can use the advanced setup option. For this quick demo, we'll stick with the easy option, that is, set it up. And we'll show you about the advanced setup in a later video. Click on I agree with the terms, and then click on set it up button, and then give it a few seconds to work. That's it. Your testing WordPress site is ready, and here is the website address with login information. Copy the website address, username and password. Or you can directly click on Access It Now button to log in to your new WordPress website's dashboard. And here we are, your very own WordPress playground. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a WordPress environment without any complicated installations. That's it for today. In the next video, we will learn about the WordPress dashboard and the various options available there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.